Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video we're doing a review on your HarborFreight telescoping flagpoles. I actually have two of them, and that's why we're doing the review, because one of them, it broke. Let me get over here to you. Don't worry, in the process of breaking, it tore up this flag, so it's what it is. Alright, now that we got it down here on the ground, as you can see, it's extended out. I have dual flagpoles. I'm creating a landscaping area here in the middle of my yard, right here at the front side of my house. This flagpole sit there. But yeah, let's get back to this review here on this dual flagpole. The clips here that come with it, let's show you here. They break. They're cheap little factory junky clips. I mean, don't get me wrong, I guess really anything you get nowadays is made in China, but these are just really, you can tell by the center that they're really thin, they're like hollow, and they're cheap. And as you can see, that one already bent and broke. And so I got two of them here. I ran up to Walmart and got two of them. They're probably China also, but hopefully they're a little better. At least they feel to be. They're spring loaded, and they pop back really good, and they feel heavy compared to these. These just feel like a little piece of tin metal or something. They super lightweight, like aluminum can, versus this one. I got a dual pack. I got them at Walmart. I already got one put right here on the end down here, and we just unhooked the other one. And I guess I need to go ahead and go buy some more, because both flagpoles and the bottom flag also, they'll eventually break, I'm sure. But let's get these new clips installed, and then we'll get the new flag on. Alright guys, we got the old flag here that I said it tore it up and ripped it right out. And it just really cheap. It's made in China. Kind of a shame, really, to be honest with you. You got an American flag made in another country. Figured the least we can do is make our own flags for this country. We got another one here, and obviously I'm sure it's made in China also, but not gonna let it touch the ground. So let me set y'all down here, and I'll get this flagpole mounted on the pole. All right guys, we got the pole back in place there with the new flag on it. And yeah, I still got my Trump flags up. Hopefully he'll run in 2024, and yeah, we'll make this country great again, or save this country again, as they're saying. Anyways, there's your review there. Quick little tip for you on these HarborFreight flagpoles. As I said, these clips that come on, they're junk. Hopefully this gives you a helpful tip. So if you go buy these telescoping flagpoles from HarborFreight, buy you some aftermarket clips instead of the ones that come with it, because I've only had these flagpoles up for, I don't know, a month. And it appears, almost looks like it got like hot or something from the summer heat, because sure looks like it's burnt to me. That it rubbed it and made it get hot. I don't know. See that? Also, one problem I've noticed is where they lock together inside here, when you twist them, they come loose. So I don't know if any of y'all else out there have had these problems with these flagpoles. I gotta cut that block and put it there. But yeah, they lock together. Well, they eventually rotate back loose, and then they telescope back down, and then you gotta go back up and re-telescope them. But yeah, it's your 20-foot telescoping flagpoles that you get at HarborFreight. Hopefully y'all found this video useful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button. If you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Y'all have a great day.